Hi, welcome back, fourth graders. In the last couple of episodes, yesterday's episodes, you guys wrote your planning. So you did your brainstorming, your characters, and your setting. You also did your graphic organizer, and you answered your questions that go with the magic potion. So hopefully you did answer these questions here. Now these questions here are going to help you with writing your middle section of your story, which is your rising action and your climax. Okay, so I wanted to show you after you have watched these videos are just there for you to help you with remembering, when we first begin our rough draft, there's a hook, how we do our introduction. Then our this next video is basically the rough draft part, your middle section, and then the next video that you should have also watched was the closing section, the theme. In literature, we lots of times we have themes that help us, what lesson was learned at the end of our story. So the next slide, slide 10, if you click on this link right here like that, you will get to my story, which I'm about to read right now. So when you click on it, it'll open up to this story here. And I color coded it just to kind of help you know, that I included each section of our graphic organizer, our plot line. So all the words in blue is the exposition, the characters setting problem. The words in purple is the rising action. The words in red is the climax. And then the words in green is the falling action. And then the black is the resolution. Okay, so here's my story, and it starts with a gentle giant green ogre lived near a village deep in the enchanted forest of Wampadoodle. There also lived a hideous green monster who terrified the villagers every day. He would eat the villagers' children. The ogre had enough of the monster's cruelty. There was a tale told by his ancestors of a magical garden in the mountains. He knew he had to travel there to get the exotic flowers to help him create a potion. Luckily for the ogre, he also had another important ingredient to help make this concoction a success, which was diamond dust that he got as a gift from the dwarves who lived in the cave at the end of the forest. The ogre began his journey. He traveled all day, and when he arrived at the magical garden, he saw one of the most beautiful gardens ever. The flowers were radiating brightly. He carefully picked a few petals and placed them in his pouch. When he arrived back home, he grinded the petals with diamond dust and placed the powder in his pouch. He went out to the village to confront the monster. Eek! Cried the villagers nearby the village. He knew the monster was there. As he opened the door, he saw this hideous creature with 3 eyes and razor sharp teeth about to eat a child. The ogre opened his pouch and sprinkled the powder onto the monster. Suddenly, the monster's eyes were in a trance, as if he was thinking about a faraway memory. He then quickly began to spin around the room 5 times. When he stopped, the monster put the child down and apologized to the family for his behavior. From that day on, the monster never terrorized any of the villagers again. Instead, he became the town's mascot and showed kindness to everyone he met. The village of Wampadoodle became known as the kindest town in all of the kingdoms near and far. Okay, so boys and girls, today you're going to write your rough draft. Now remember to always refer to your rough draft. So that means go back and look to see what did you put down for your character setting and problem. and start your story. Make sure that you continue with your rising action, your climax, your falling action, and then your resolution. Okay, have fun.